welcome back you guys to our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of June. I do have my first box here. I am still waiting on my other boxes, so those videos will come as they arrive to me. So we're gonna go ahead and get diving into it. We're gonna keep this intro pretty short and sweet, but I do want to let you guys know that I got a lot of comments asking what the weight of my box is. I swear to you guys, they do not have the weight anymore on my box. I am looking everywhere on here. I do not see it. I am looking at my FedEx shipping information, and all it says is when it arrived to FedEx and then the, travel history, but there is nothing in here, I promise you guys. So I do apologize for those of you guys that want to know how much my box weighs. It doesn't tell me anymore. I don't know why they stopped doing that, but we're gonna go ahead and get diving into this. If you guys are new to my channel, I welcome you to hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. If you guys are new, I would appreciate it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys love these Boxycharm unboxings, and let's go ahead and get to it. So here's our box with our theme, and it does say that I do have number 42 on the bottom corner, and then on the front of the card it says the Oasis. First up we have is by Touch in Soul. This is the Fill Up Orange. Definitely giving me the layout vibes of like Sugar Pills palettes. You know what I'm talking about? They're like circular Sugar Pill, but I think those are like base palettes and eyeshadow palettes. And I thought this here was a blusher, but it's actually an eyeshadow. Like it's an all eyeshadow palette. You got a lot of different tones of like orange and peaches and coral in here. And you only have there's three matte shades in here. I really like this more champagne shade. It's beautiful. And the last one is like the pressed glitter. Just some of the shades right there. Very much summer inspired. I would definitely say that I just don't get really into having pressed glitters in palettes anymore. Like I rather just have them separate, because I feel like what happens is that the glitter tends to like move around and then get onto my other eyeshadow. But it is a beautiful, beautiful glitter. I will say I don't have anything like that in my collection, so it's something I would definitely try out. I do feel like you could definitely still use this as a blusher if you wanted to, because it has that nice finish, more of like that, sun-kissed blush topper kind of a finish. Then we move into, I freaking love this product. So I actually have a bigger size of this, but this here is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I use this all the time, you guys, and I definitely say if you get those like little bumps on the back of your arms, like I do, I get like these really tiny little bumps on the back of my arms, or like on your legs or anything like that, this stuff will make it disappear. It's amazing. I truly love it. It does have like a nice strong grit to it. I mean, I do have a few, I shouldn't say they're completely gone, but they are definitely starting to fade away, and I can tell you it's definitely because of this. So I'm very excited to have a backup of that. Next up we have is by the brand Cab. K-A-B. It says Kim, Ariana, and Brielle. This is a lip liner and lip gloss trio, and I have the shade Charming. So here is the lip gloss and the lip liner trio. The lip liner formula is really, really soft. It's a really big fat lip gloss also. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It is super pigmented. I'm interested to see how this lip liner works, if it's something that I can wear all alone and then kind of just fill it in with some gloss. I'm hoping that's the case. So the next product I have here is by Lily Lashes, which I don't own anything from Lily Lashes, but I will say that I do find her lashes to be so freaking amazing looking. Like I see them all the time. I just can't bring myself to ever freaking spend the money on it, but she's got some beautiful lashes. But this here is not the lashes. It's the X Mascara. This here retails for $24. I didn't even know she had a mascara. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's got like a matte black packaging, and then her name is like traced over. All right, so here is the wand, just your very standard fluffy wand, which is definitely gonna give you more of that like fluff and that, oomph that you need to your lashes. So I'm interested to try it out. I have found so many drugstore mascaras that honestly, when it comes to mascara, I don't think I've ever recommended a high-end mascara. Unless somebody's like, I only want high-end, then I will. But if you can save money here and there, I truly think you can always find a great mascara at, the drugstore. But I'll definitely try it out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So I have one product left, and this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Lip and Cheek Palette. And this here retails for $24. This is got to be, ooh, they're cream products. You guys know how I feel about those. So here is what I assume you could use as the cheek or the lip product. This looks like a bronzer. Although I will say I'm starting to get more into, I'm trying to try out more cream bronzers. So I'm definitely going to give this one a shot. I actually just ordered and I just got in the Fenty one. Since everybody was raving about it, I was like, all right, fine, I'll just get it and try it out. But there you have the 3 swatches. They feel a little, not greasy, I don't know how to explain that, but they feel emollient. Is that the word? I think that's the word. They feel like that, you know, like I'm like, I don't know if I want to put that on my skin, but you know what? I'll give it a shot and see how it works. This is the cream to powder trio in the shades, this is Shades of Nude palette. It goes on like a cream for easy blending and then finishes like a powder for long-lasting payoff. Oh, it is. Like it's already dried down. Ooh, that's interesting. Peach one, the pink one is like already dried down almost. Oh, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of experience with cream products, so I'll definitely try it out because I've been wanting to get more into it. But I don't know, I'm not really the one that you should be like coming to for a review on cream products because I don't really use that many. I'm just like now starting to get into it because I think like it's kind of like a thing. I don't know, I feel like every time during like the spring and summer times, more brands come out with like more, you know, cream products, and I'm finally like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. And the only reason why I'd want to try more cream products is because everybody's raving about this Fenty product that I'm like, I need to try it. So that is everything that I got in my box. Let me go ahead and recap for you guys. The Touch and Soul retails for $32. The Laura Geller retails for $24. Lily Lashes is $24. Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo is $40. That's expensive. And First Aid Beauty is $18. So that is everything that I got in my box. You guys let me know what you guys are supposed to be getting in your boxes. I do have another box that will be coming from Boxycharm. So if you guys did not know, I do have quite a few of my unboxings that will be coming up, so make sure to hit those notification bells, and make sure to also check in during the week. I do upload Sunday through Thursday. I do have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which will be going up tomorrow, so make sure to come back for that. And then I do have another Boxycharm on the way that is going to be coming in, and again, I will be letting you guys know about that as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. If you guys have already been subscribed to my channel and you guys are just coming back to watch my video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.